Stop building AI tools that compete with ChatGPT. I found the 8 niche problems where mistakes cost people $100,000. And that's exactly where you should build a SaaS. After spending weeks studying real AI startups, not hype or theory, I found a clear pattern. The most successful ones solve problems where general AI causes mistakes instead of fixing them. So if you're thinking about building an AI business in 2025, stop building AI tools that compete with ChatGPT. But before we start, hi, I'm Fariha. I'm building a $100,000 per month SaaS business, and I share simple startup ideas every week. You don't want to miss this stuff. So hit that subscribe button and let's jump in. First idea, meeting summary tool. Here's the deal. Remote teams have way too many meetings. Everyone's tired. Nobody remembers what was said. This tool records your Zoom calls. Then it does something smart. It writes a summary and pulls out action items automatically. The AI listens to the meeting. It transcribes everything. But then it goes further. It finds the important stuff, the decisions, the tasks, the deadlines. You connect it to Zoom or Microsoft Teams. It runs in the background. No extra work. Price it at $10 to $50 per month based on how many meetings you process. If you get 100 customers at $30 each, that's $3,000 monthly. Scale to 500, that's $15,000. Remote work is everywhere now. Meetings eat up everyone's time. Therefore, a tool that saves time and keeps everyone organized is worth money. This isn't rocket science. It's solving a real, daily pain point. Second idea, AI proposal generator for freelancers. Freelancers lose jobs because their proposals suck or take too long to write. A client posts a job, 50 people apply. Most proposals are generic copy-paste trash. This tool creates custom proposals in minutes. The freelancer pastes in the job description. The AI reads it. Then it pulls from their portfolio and creates a personalized proposal that actually responds to what the client wants. It highlights relevant past work. It addresses the client's specific pain points. It sounds professional, but here's the money part. Charge per proposal. $5 to $10 per proposal generated. A freelancer sends 20 proposals per month. That's $100 to $200 from one person. Get 500 freelancers using it. That's $50,000 to $100,000 monthly. The gig economy is massive. Freelancers need to respond fast with quality proposals. Generic templates don't work anymore. AI-driven personalization is the gap nobody's filling well. Third idea, GeoPermit Navigator. Small contractors lose weeks dealing with building permit applications. Every city has different forms, different requirements, zero consistency. It's bureaucratic nightmare. This tool asks for project details, location, building type, what you're doing. But then it does something smart. It compares against a special database of local city codes and creates a custom step-by-step checklist. It fills in starting applications. You charge per city access $199 to $499 per month for a region, then $100 to $500 per project for the validated document package. The first version takes longer, maybe 9 to 12 weeks, because you're building that database. But once it's built, you own that area. City services are going digital, but staying scattered. The data collection is boring work. Therefore, nobody wants to compete with you once you've done it. Fourth idea, niche RFP copilot. Small government contractors lose bids because proposal responses take forever. One missed requirement? You're out. The process has structure, but it's not the same every time. Every proposal has unique rules buried in 80 pages of documents. This tool automates proposal writing. The AI reads the proposal request. It creates tailored response sections. But the real value is the rule checking. It makes sure every required item is answered, every number is included, every format rule is followed. Price? By level $399 per month for drafting help, $999 per month for full rule checking. But here's the hook: optional success fee, 1 to 2% of contract value if the proposal wins. Regular AI can write words, but it can't guarantee you followed complex legal and formatting rules. That gap is where you build a business. Drop a comment. Which of these would you actually build? I really want to know. Fifth idea: AI financial forecasting tool. Small business owners are terrible at predicting money. They don't know if they'll have cash next month. They don't know when to hire. They're flying blind. This tool predicts their financial future using AI. They connect their accounting software. The AI reads their past sales, expenses, and trends. Then it predicts the next 3 to 6 months. But it doesn't just predict, it gives advice. That's the difference. Charge $50 to $200 per month based on business size. Get 500 businesses at $100, that's $50,000 per month. Small businesses don't have CFOs. They're making huge financial decisions with no data. A tool that removes the guesswork is worth serious money. Sixth idea: AI customer support reply generator. Small online stores get overwhelmed with support tickets. Where's my order? How do I return this? What sizes do you have? They're answering the same questions over and over. This tool writes the replies automatically, in the brand's voice. You train the AI on the company's frequently asked questions and past support tickets. It learns the brand's tone: friendly, professional, casual. When a new ticket comes in, the AI writes 3 reply options. The support person picks one, maybe tweaks it, and sends it, done in 30 seconds. But here's the smart part: it learns over time. The more you use it, the better it gets. Charge based on message volume. $50 to $200 per month depending on ticket count. Get 300 stores at $100? That's $30,000 monthly. Customers expect fast replies. Small teams can't keep up. Basic chatbots sound robotic and upset customers. This is the middle ground: fast, personal, accurate. Seventh idea: personalized learning platform for small businesses. Small companies need to train employees, but everyone learns differently. Some people need videos, others need step-by-step text, some need practice exercises. This AI-based SaaS application adapts the training to each person. The AI watches how someone learns. Are they breezing through? Slow down, add harder stuff. Are they struggling? Give easier examples and more practice. It personalizes the content, pace, and format for every single employee. Companies pay per employee $10 to $30 per person per month. A company with 50 employees at $20, that's $1,000 monthly from one customer. Employee training is critical, but one-size-fits-all training doesn't work. People quit or fail because the training wasn't right for them. Personalization increases success rates. That's valuable. Eighth idea: niche AI content generator. Here's the problem with ChatGPT. It's too general. A real estate agent needs property descriptions. A lawyer needs legal briefs. ChatGPT gives them generic garbage. This tool fixes that by training AI on specific industries. Pick one narrow field, let's say real estate. You train the AI on thousands of real property listings. It learns the language, the format, the words that actually sell houses. But now when an agent types in property details, it creates a perfect listing in 30 seconds. Not generic, professional. Charge $50 to $200 per month per user. Real estate agents will pay it because time is money. Get 500 users at $100? That's $50,000 monthly. General AI writers don't understand industry-specific words and rules. Therefore, a specialized tool that speaks the language is worth way more. You're not competing on features, you're competing on expertise. Ninth bonus idea: AI email assistant for Gmail. Busy people spend hours on email every day, writing replies, trying to sound professional, missing important messages. This AI based SaaS application writes email replies for you, smart ones, professional ones. It reads your incoming email, it understands the context. Then it suggests three different reply options: formal, casual, short. You pick one. Click send. Done in 10 seconds instead of 10 minutes. But it also learns your writing style over time, so replies sound like you, not a robot. Charge $15 to $50 per month based on email volume. Get 1,000 users at $25. That's $25,000 monthly. Email isn't going away. Everyone's inbox is overflowing. A tool that saves 5 hours per week is easily worth $50 per month. This is pure time savings. And time is the most valuable thing people have. Tell me in the comments, which of these startup ideas in AI sounds best to you? Or do you have something of your own? The pattern? Find problems where regular AI creates risk, not value, where being exact matters more than being creative, where following rules isn't optional. These aren't fantasy ideas. They're working businesses right now. You got a real plan. Now you just need to do it. The question is, will you?